What is up, guys? Crypto Atlas here, and welcome to a new TA of Bitcoin. Yeah, I haven't uploaded since a year or so. For anyone who's new, um, I don't want to brag or something like that, but I the last TA I did, you can check that. It's anyway, it's not important anymore, but I perfectly predicted this bottom right here. I said we're not going lower, and that we're going upwards from there. Perfectly predicted this bull run. Did I know how high it's gonna go? How far? No, I didn't know. It could have also been that we would have a wave up and it would have failed. Basically, when we were testing this resistance, like nobody was sure if everybody was that. A lot of people were thinking that's not gonna be it. I was also not that sure, but then I saw the spike. I remember like it happened like in 1 minute or something like that. They made this move, and I was like, that's too dangerous for me. I bought Bitcoin, I think at 5 something range, and went out like at 9k or something like that. Kind of early, but I'm pretty happy with that because in my opinion, nobody could have predicted how high Bitcoin has gone. I've seen YouTube videos of apparently professional TA experts which have claimed that as soon as we hit 10k and we pass, we're going to the moon. But that was all bullshit. For me, it was pretty obvious. I saw this was like this run up here. It was so unhealthy for Bitcoin and pretty demotivating. And also the reason why I didn't make any videos, because when you have this crazy steep run, it's about to fail because it's pure irrationality. It's pure FOMO, pure false hope. Now that's the deceiving part of it. A strong bull run needs corrections. A strong bull run needs to go slow and steady and not quick. So but that's how Bitcoin works. So, but yeah, let's just go jump into TA, and I just want to make a brief video and share a tool with you guys what I love. It's a gem, major gem, in my opinion, because it's pretty accurate for Bitcoin. And it's the third one when you go on the toolbar on the third, on trading view, by the way. You go on the third, it's called Modified Shift Pitchfork. I'm sorry, it's German, but so basically how you use it, you go to the bottom of a bull run. For me, it started here. Then you go to the tip of the bull run, and then you go to the bottom of the consolidation. So you have these 3 white lines. You have also more lines. If you double click, you can see the other possibilities. I have some Fibonacci numbers. Also another line which is going through the half. But just for simplicity and to explain in a good way, I'll just take these 3 lines because that's basically all you need. So what does the shift pitchfork tell us? It basically tells us everything revolves around the middle line. If we have a bull run and it off this bottom, and it will test the middle line, or not test, but it will react to the middle line. There are 2 possibilities. Either it rejects off. If it rejects off and you see like it's a good rejection and doesn't retest back, it consolidates, like basically around here. If you only use a pitchfork around here, you would buy. That's when you're thinking like, okay, we're not going to retest back. We didn't even retest here. That's when it's going to go down. And it's going to go to the bottom line. That's the beautiful thing about it. That's going to retest. The more beautiful thing about it is this pitchfork guarantees basically if we break through with buying volume through this middle line, then we're going to test the upper line. That's when we're going to see 20k Bitcoin. What else can happen, you know, if we test this here and we reject off, we're going back to the middle line. If we go through, if we jump back off and we break this line, we're going up. We're going right. Normally you take the vertical length of the pitchfork and you stack it on it. So I mean, that would be kind of crazy. 40k Bitcoin. I mean, I'm not. This is only hypothetically. I mean, I'm not. We have no data for this yet. I mean, we have to be up here first and see if we can only confirm if we break through. But that's basically what Pitchfork is telling us. I mean, it can also. It could also go like this. You know, if it breaks out, it's breaking out like crazy. That's the thing about Pitchfork. So, basically, this is how it looks like now. And yeah, where we're heading, we rebounce off. Are we going to test back the middle line? Are we going to see here, we're going to bounce off or see something like this here? And are we going to break through? And that's what we're seeing everywhere on YouTube. Everybody's saying this is Bitcoin's making a big move right here. That's what everybody's hoping, but I don't think so. Well, not yet, because you can also start at the tip of the bull run. Go to the bottom consolidation and the tip of the next wave, the first wave. So let me go to the tip. I mean, it's always hard to tell exactly how to draw it. I think I'll do like this. So basically we have this here, those are our points confirming this pitchfork. And the beautiful thing about layering pitchforks on top of each other, you get something like this. Now you can also find these resistances like by yourself by I mean, basically it's parallel to this. You know, I mean, you can draw this resistance by yourself. It's pretty obvious that this is a major resistance, and it's also pretty obvious that this is a major support. But it's just a quicker way to get this middle line. So I mean, if you want to, you can also like divide it by 2 and put a middle line, a line in the middle. It's just a basic tool to show how to draw resistance and to find symmetry. So So what do we know about triangles? All of them have an apex region. So we want Bitcoin to come inside this apex region. So probably it's going to consolidate. That's what I'm guessing next month and come inside this region. And then we're going to retest. I will make another in-depth analysis, exactly, you know, longer with LA wave count and everything. But I'm expecting you to test here. And then there are 2 possibilities. Either we break through. If we break through, we're going to see something like this. Also for the fundamentals, that's also kind of interesting because that would also show that Bitcoin is in a time of crisis, not a safe haven. Yeah, but I mean, I can't really say that because I mean, Corona is slowly everywhere around the world they're trying to open up the economy, and that's what everybody wants, and that's what the politicians want, that's what the society wants. I mean, basically nobody wants to stay at home, and I don't think it's going to stay there for long. So, I mean, safe haven time is over, I guess. But yeah, so why did I put this away? So if we bounce off and we retest here and we break through, that's when we're going to see like a move like this. Then in the future, when we come up here, That's when we can, when we see this, when we break out here, that's when I'm gonna make a video talking about here, you know, breaking through here, how it looks like. That's when we break out here. That's when I'm gonna be uploading every day. Or if we break down here, I'm also gonna be uploading every day. So I'll make another in-depth video where I go more in depth, elaborate more. Sorry for my bad English. I'm German, by the way. If anyone's interested, I'm 20 years old. Well, I almost forgot that. And yeah, I'm writing my finals in a week or so, and basically took a break because I can't think anymore. And I thought, okay, let me make a video. I don't even know why. I just had this impulse. Oh shit. And yeah, if you enjoyed, subscribe. If you learn anything, subscribe, like, or whatever. Tune in for next time. Bye.